Wait, let's settle this problem please. I am Emperor's showroom, please.
You think so they wise?
Follow me for more. Your car's RPM is fluctuating, going up and going down with erratic idle. It may be as a result of long accumulated carbon debris and burnt oil particle on the throttle body blocking free flow of air as it ought to.
Let be poor. Breathe. Don't suffocate them.
Don't forget that your plugs, fuel injector and air filters needs to be changed so as to allow your engine breathe in fresh air. Feel free to connect with me via email at emperorjeff9@gmail.com and at Emperor Showroom on all platform.